How to get PF Chang's promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in PF Chang's promo code in the search for it. With that, if any website links will appear, using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Changs. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one website, Simply Codes. This is the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for PF Changs. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 10% off, 30% off, $50 off, and many more. You can hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on use code. With that, the code will be copied and you will be directed to the official website of PF Changs. Once you're on the website, you can use these codes. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for PF Changs. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for PF Changs. So this way you can easily get up to $100 working promo code for PF Changs. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.